Math 265A, Cuesta College. I'm Joe Vasta, and we are going to cover section Bug 8. Here's the classwork that we're doing. This is going to be one short video because there's only 2 questions, and the concept here is very simple. On the other hand, the concept is very important because we have to go over this, something called the speed. So there is a difference between velocity and speed. So let's answer the first question. A bug is moving on the number line. There's the bug, and time is in seconds. His position is s, feet from the origin, and f of t equals s. So here's f of t, and looks like another parabola. It's not the same one from bug 7. I believe it's not the same one from bug 7. It's a different one. So what is the bug's velocity at 3 seconds? So if asked that, what you would want to do is compute the derivative. And I'm going to call the derivative not f prime, I'm going to call it v. v of t is, and then we've learned shortcuts, so this is going to be the 2 jumps down front, 6t minus 20. So there that is. So now they're asking, what is the bug's velocity at 3 seconds? Well, you just plug the time 3 into the velocity function. So I have 6 times 3 minus 20. So this is 18 minus 20, negative 2. And we got to be careful, what are the units for velocity? Well, we see, feet in seconds. So we're going to say negative 2 feet per second. So that would mean the bug's velocity, at time 3 seconds, he's actually going backwards on the number line. He's going to the left. So the next question says, what is the bug's speed? So the speed might be the thing that you used to think of when I first said velocity. And it's actually not that bad. The speed happens to be the absolute value of the velocity. Now this is on a number line. Once the bug starts moving, perhaps like on a plane or on a piece of paper, this is going to get a little bit more complicated, and we do not do that in this class. Okay, so we'll do that in calculus 2, where the bug is then moving, and then his velocity is going to be measured by 2 functions, and then his speed, you'll kind of put those 2 functions together. But here it's very simple. So watch this. For this problem, the speed then for this problem is the absolute value of negative 2. So the speed just takes the negative off. Now if it was positive for the velocity, then it wouldn't change it. Speed is 2 feet per second. So right now it almost seems dumb that we're doing this, but once the bug starts going in higher dimensions, more than a number line, then it's not going to be as trivial as this. So bug 8, all you're asked to do is find velocity and speed. Make sure that what I'm saying is correct. No, actually you're not even finding the velocity. Well, you are to get the speed, and it just says find the bug speed at 3 seconds, and it gives you some function. So it shouldn't take long to do bug 8. That concludes bug 8. The next video is bug 9.